I'm an avid scrapbooker and card maker, so I'm always on the lookout for really cool scrapbooking stickers, papers, and I really prefer kits where everything is coordinated, and that's what this is. This is called Say Cheese Galaxy, and it's by Simple Stories, and you can see these are the stickers. There are lots of great things for outer space, laser tag, adventure, and this could be for Disney. It could be for other things, though, because it has Star Wars on here, Dark Side, lots of other things. And then the papers would be great for video games, space, just men in general, computer type things, any kind of layouts that would feature those kinds of themes. And then there are borders at the top that you could also cut off and use. There's another paper there. And then turn these over, and then that one looks like a galaxy. There's stars. And that one has the Force. We have more spaceships. These are squares that you can cut out and use. And these were the back sides of the printed pages. So you could use some of these and some of the print that's on the back, and the same with this one. So this is a really, really nice set. Simple Stories has really good quality products.